Hello everyone and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews in the Life of Scott. So today we are unboxing some magnets. Now I don't know about you guys, but I seem to have issues with putting stuff on a refrigerator or in the office. I want to put something on a file cabinet that is all metal, and the magnets that you buy in the stores are just junk. They do not hold anything. So I am very curious to see how well these are going to hold up. So let's get unboxing. Oh guys, and like always, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications because you never know what we're going to review next. And as always, you can find this product in my video description from a safe seller for a good price. So here we got some screws. So it looks like, okay, that's cool. Wow, they are strong. Real strong, guys. They're definitely gonna do the trick. Wow. Let's show you guys how strong these really are. Now because they're so strong, you gotta be careful. You know what's always fun is doing opposite, the magnet from opposite. So you got each little circle magnet. I mean, look at that. Let's see if we can show you guys. So we got it way over here. Let's zoom out even more. See if you can notice it moving. I can feel it pulling it. So we actually had it upside down, so let's put it this way. How about we start from the top? Of course, we can do it this way. Have it under the table. Test it out. Look at this. That's pretty cool, guys. And it will follow the whole way over. So it's a good way. These magnets are good for holding all kinds of different things. For example, let's say you got a cloth table and you want to have something over here, maybe decoration, whatever. You could simply put one magnet on one side, one on the other, and it will hold it in place. So for example, if we wanted to hold this knife right here, hold that in place. Now that's just an example. You guys can be creative. These magnets can be used for scientific studies, for fun, for hanging stuff. So this is my file cabinet in the office. So I like to put stuff here, easy access, easy to read, but the magnets that I've used in the past just fall because you have to open these old cabinets pretty hard, and the old magnets I used to use that you buy in the store just didn't cut it. So let's see how strong just one of these little magnets are. Let's first see if it can hold up just a box. So it'll hold up the box, cardboard box. You're not going to have any issues holding up basically whatever you want. If you want to hang gloves somewhere, just like that, it'll easily hold a glove. Now, if it doesn't hold it, you can simply use two magnets or two on top of each other to make it even stronger. Like even now. So now we can just simply throw it on and it'll stick. But this goes for all kinds of different things. So right now there's still some plastic spacers in these magnets right here. But check this out. Look how strong all these magnets are. It'll hold up a DVD. A DVD, well, I should say a DVD in a complete case. No problems. Now, what you can do, again, guys, you can use these for all different things, including school projects, science projects, house projects, vehicle projects, all different types of things. These magnets, whatever you need a magnet for, this will work. And let me tell you, you have to be very careful because these are so strong. When you take out the plastic spacers, they get really powerful. I mean, these are so strong that I'm having trouble. We have one more spacer left in here, and I'm having trouble pulling these apart just to get it. So there we got it. You probably don't need to have them apart. You probably just want to keep the spacers in. I don't think you need that strong. I mean, unless you do. But it is extremely powerful. Extremely powerful. And you got to be careful, especially when you take off the spacers, because you can hurt yourself because they are that good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use one circle per project unless I need, extra strength. Then we'll go from there. So, what is my review? Well, my honest review, these are the strongest magnets that I have ever owned, and these are going to work perfectly for what I want to do. I have to give them a 10 out of 10. Excellent product. They do break, so you have to be careful, because if you take out the spacers and you just fling them together, they will shatter. So you have to be careful with these. They're rare earth magnets, so as far as durability, I would give a 7, maybe a 6.5 out of 10. As far as look goes, I would give them a 10 out of 10. Overall score, probably an 8.6, 8.7 out of 10, which is a really good score for me because I don't normally give magnets that high. I think my highest magnet review was like 4 or 5 in the past. So that's a good score for me. You can also use these if you're trying to identify fake silver and gold and bullion. You can use this to make sure it's not magnetized, so you know it's not fake. But thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out the product in my video description. Great price. So we'll be using it, probably a couple on our fridge to hold some stuff up, since these old magnets are just basically junk, and it sticks so well. So guys, we're in the garage here, and just to give you guys some bonus ideas on what you can use with it. So you take one of the screws that came with it, and then take one of your magnets, and what you're going to do is you're going to put the screw, let's set this down here, you're going to put the screw through your magnet like this, and now we're going to drill it in to the spot we want, right here. So now that's in the wall, and it's a good handy thing if you have any tools that you want to keep up. So right there we just got a really thin screwdriver, flathead. So basically anything that's metal that you want to hang up that you use from time to time, you can go ahead and do so. Let's show this tool. So as you guys can see, let's bring the camera up here better. so you can hang tools and easily pull them off and put them back on. Quick access to whatever you need. And if you have something like a really heavy axe, you can go ahead and, you know, put 2 magnets side by side or something like that to hold the axe up. Also guys, another thing you can use these for that would work great is if you got a grill and you want to have your metal tools with you. Oh, let's take the screw out first. So you just simply stick your magnet on, and if you have anything metal that you use for your grill, then you got easy access, so you can just simply pull it right on and off like your metal spatula or whatever. So again guys, overall extremely good product. Again, if you want to use this for hanging a metal sign, that works. I mean guys, the possibilities are endless.